Welcome to this educational video on leaves, the primary photosynthesis organs of plants. Leaves are remarkable structures that act as nature's solar panels, converting light energy into chemical energy that sustains not only the plant itself, but entire ecosystems. In this video, we will explore the structure, function, and importance of leaves in the process of photosynthesis. Let's dive into understanding how these green organs power life on Earth. Leaves are the primary photosynthetic organs of plants. They are specialized structures designed specifically for capturing light energy and converting it into chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis. Think of leaves as nature's solar panels. They are perfectly optimized to maximize light absorption while simultaneously minimizing water loss. This dual function makes leaves incredibly efficient at their job of producing food for the plant while conserving precious resources. A typical leaf consists of 4 key parts. First, the blade or lamina, which is the flat, expanded portion where most photosynthesis takes place. Second, the petiole, which is the stalk that connects the blade to the stem and helps position the leaf for optimal light exposure. Third, the veins, which form a network throughout the leaf to transport water, nutrients, and the sugars produced during photosynthesis. Finally, the epidermis, which is the protective outer layer containing specialized pores called stomata that regulate gas exchange. Photosynthesis is the fundamental process by which leaves produce food for the plant. The equation for photosynthesis is 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water plus light energy yields glucose plus 6 oxygen. In simpler terms, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil are converted into glucose, which is a sugar that the plant uses for energy, and oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. This process is powered by light energy, captured by a green pigment called chlorophyll in the leaf. The internal structure of a leaf is organized into distinct layers, each with a specific function. At the top is the upper epidermis, a transparent protective layer that allows light to penetrate into the leaf. Below that is the palisade mesophyll, which contains tightly packed cells with abundant chloroplasts for maximum photosynthesis. Next is the spongy mesophyll, which has loosely arranged cells with air spaces that facilitate gas exchange. Finally, at the bottom is the lower epidermis, which contains stomata for gas exchange and transpiration. Chloroplasts are the organelles within leaf cells where photosynthesis actually occurs. They contain chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for capturing light energy. Chlorophyll primarily absorbs red and blue wavelengths of light while reflecting green light, which is why leaves appear green to our eyes. Inside chloroplasts are stacked membrane structures called thylakoids, where the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis take place. These reactions convert light energy into chemical energy that the plant can use. Stomata are tiny pores on the surface of leaves that serve as gas exchange portals. Each stoma is surrounded by 2 guard cells that regulate its opening and closing. Stomata perform several critical functions. They allow carbon dioxide to enter the leaf, which is essential for photosynthesis. They release oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis into the atmosphere. Additionally, stomata control water loss through transpiration by opening and closing in response to environmental conditions. This regulation helps the plant balance its need for carbon dioxide with the need to conserve water. Leaves have evolved several remarkable adaptations that make them highly efficient at photosynthesis. First, they have a large surface area to maximize light capture. Second, they have a thin structure that allows light to penetrate to inner cells and reduces the distance gases need to diffuse. Third, chlorophyll is concentrated in the upper layers of the leaf to capture maximum light energy. Finally, air spaces within the leaf facilitate efficient gas exchange throughout the leaf tissue, ensuring that carbon dioxide can reach all photosynthetic cells. Several environmental factors affect the rate of photosynthesis in leaves. Light intensity is crucial because higher light levels increase the photosynthesis rate up to a saturation point, beyond which additional light has no effect. Carbon dioxide concentration also matters, as more carbon dioxide availability enhances photosynthetic output. Temperature plays a key role too, with an optimal range between 25 and 35 degrees Celsius for enzyme activity. Below or above this range, the enzymes involved in photosynthesis work less efficiently, reducing the overall rate of the process. To summarize, leaves are highly specialized photosynthetic organs that are perfectly optimized for capturing light energy, facilitating gas exchange, and producing the glucose that sustains plant life and supports entire ecosystems. From their layered internal structure to their specialized cells and adaptations, every aspect of a leaf is designed to maximize photosynthetic efficiency. Understanding leaf structure and function is fundamental to comprehending how plants power life on Earth. Thank you for watching this video on leaves as photosynthesis organs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.